Hello my wonderful ladies dancers, welcome to Ladies Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. I know many of you have asked me, how do I warm up? How do I start my workout? How do I start my routine? So for you today, I've got the perfect warm up for any of your workouts. Whether you're doing a ballet class, or whether you're thinking about stretching later, whether you're thinking about a full-on workout, this is the minimum, the bare minimum warm up that you need to do in order for your muscles to be warm, to be juicy, to be chewy and not get injured. Because remember, I always talk about muscles like a steak, yeah? So you've got steaks, and if it is a frozen steak, we try to move it, we try to stretch it, and it snaps. So we don't want the steak to snap, we want the steak to be nice and soft and ready to be cooked. Same with our body. And remember that if you want to learn all the basics of ballet, I've got ready for you, if you need my guidance, the beginner's ballet course is perfect to implement every single exercise that you might have seen on this channel, but you don't know how to quite put it together. And again, we're gonna start with the warm-up, we're gonna start with learning the steps and putting it together into making it dance. And yes, I do stretch you at the end as well. So remember, I'm gonna link it down in the box below, and up here, the beginner's ballet course is there for you to lead you through a beautiful path. But if you're ready to start right now with your warm-up, whether it's morning, evening, throughout the day, or you're tired of being sitting in front of the desk and you had a horrible meeting, come and join me, let's have a little bit fun, and with me, with a crazy woman leading you into happiness. Let's do it. Here we go, let's start. I'm nice and cold as well, so we are going to start with our warm-up all together. So if you're feeling a little bit stiff, that's okay. So am I. So let's start with the walking on the spot. So whenever we're warming up, let's think about every single muscle and joint in our body, yes? So if we've just woken up, or if we have just, come home from work and we feel a little bit like this is the exact thing that you need in order for us to be able to move later on in our actual workout. So here we go. So I like to start with our ankles, and they might be clicking and doing weird noises. That's okay, that's normal, yeah? That's the way it is. So here we are, let's walk it out. Let's feel a little bit of resistance under our heels, yes. Let's reactivate the blood circulation around our legs, especially if we've been sitting for a long time, yeah? Okay, so from here, let's move up a little bit more towards we've done our knees now because we've bent our knees here. Very good, we are gonna start going up towards our hips. So what I'd like you to do is to go in, and going out, out. Oh yeah. In, out. Doesn't matter where they go. As long as you go in, out. It can even be a nice movement with your arms, yeah? See, it becomes a choreography. Very good. In, out. Very good. In, out. Again, even here, if anything clicks, you go, oh, hello, waking up hips, waking up ankles, clicking sounds, like a clicking orchestra. Very good. Nice. Breathe. Coming back to parallel. Let's move up onto our lower back as well. Nice and gentle. And breathe, you can have a smile. You go, yeah, it's a beautiful day. It has been a beautiful day. Now it's even more beautiful because we're moving. Yay! Very good. Forward and back, forward and back. So we're not only moving and relaxing and oiling our joints, but we're also activating little muscles, yeah? Because every time we move, we activate different muscles. Very good. And nice. Now we go side to side. Yeah, side to side. And breathe. Floaty hands. Yeah, very nice. Gorgeous. And most important thing, whenever we are warming up, it's our breathing. Yeah, because we need to get every single particle of oxygen into our body, into our bloodstream, and into our muscles. Very good. There you go. If you're seeing a cat running around and if you hear her screaming, she's just been to the bathroom. That's how she works. Very good. From here, let's move and let's activate the upper body as well. Nice. Breathe. Gorgeous. From here, let's stop gently and we're gonna go with our bent knees. We're gonna go rolling out to one side. Good, and breathe. Rolling up to the other side. Using a little bit of our upper body and upper back as well. Yes, and other way. And in. And breathe out. And again, in. And now, very good. One hand, pick up a bunch of flowers. We go over to one side, coming back. Very good. Pick up a bunch of flowers. And good. Now the other way. And again. And out. And back. And again, you go, oh, look at my hands, are so gorgeous. And come back. Very good. From here, we're gonna add one hand, one leg out, come back in. Very good. One, down, and back. I got it all wrong on the other side. Very good. So hand first, body and leg together, come back in. See, that's what happens. So hand first, leg and body, and come back in. And again, hand first, and body, come back in. Arm first, leg and body, come back in. Few more. So from here, we feel the stretch and the curve and the stretch to the side. And mobilizing, very good, and again, and up and over, and in, very good, and I did it again, and now the leg, and down here, arm first, and leg, and body, come back in, very good, from here, brush the skirt, coming up, and releasing down, very good, brush the skirt in front of you, pick it up, and release. There is a little curve coming straight, little arch of the back, very good, and down and up, little arch, and again brush the skirt, and little arch at the back, and skirt, and little arch at the back, very good, little walk again. Let's go back. Probably even more clicking or less clicking, depending on your body, how it works. Let's fasten it up now, and let's go in and out. Yes, in and out, in and out, in and out. Very good. Back to parallel, forward and back. Gorgeous. And breathe. Nice. A little bit faster, and we go side to side. Nice. Almost like a little figure of 8. Yeah, my body likes this kind of things because it's gentle enough, but you know, quick enough to actually get it going and starting feeling the heat, especially when it's cold. Very good. From here, take it side, up and over, and down, and side, up and over, and down, and side, up and over. One last time, side, up and over, and down, and we go body. Very good, and down, other way, and down, other way, and down, other way, and down. Now arm faster with leg, going a little bit deeper, and down. Arm first with leg, and down, and arm with leg and body. Arm, down, here. Very good. From here, little trot. Yeah, just because, as I said, whenever we're warming up, yeah, you gotta get, it doesn't matter what kind of workouts you do later, the whole point of warming up is so you get that blood going around into your muscles, so your muscles get ready. How do we warm up? Like this. Usually is about getting your heart rate up a little bit, yeah? Just enough for it to pump and to pump the blood around our body. So what I like to do also is, I don't know you, but tip of the fingers might be a little bit cold still, yeah? So let's work those fingers as well. And we go like little pumpers, yeah? Like flashlights, yeah, flash dance. Yeah, okay, so from here, we're gonna go all the way up. Breathe in and breathing out. Very good, small trots. Doesn't have to be crazy, just small. Very good. Up and over, and down. And it's good also if you feel tense and angry, you know, whenever, if you do this, whenever you're at the office or even at home and you had just a horrible interview, meeting, whatever, you just get up and you do the warm-up with flash dance arms, yeah? Very good. And that will make you laugh and you'll think of me going, who's that crazy woman in front of me doing this? Very good. Keep on flashing the lights. Very good. And from here, I want you to go step, 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 just small. Very good. You can even have your hands on your hips. Nothing major. Very good. From here, we're gonna go little jumps. Good. Nice. And your ponytail might be go crazy behind. If you've got long hair, yeah, I can feel it. Very good. Nice. Breathe. Good. We add the arms. We go up, 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 up. Crazy cats are running around warming up as well with us. Very good. Breathe. Just more arms going up and down. Little trot back in the middle. Good. Flash dance arms. Whee! Very good. And smile. And breathe. And up. Very nice. And down. Good. Breathe. Coming back. You might feel a little bit puffed. A little bit. Means that heart is going crazy. Yay. Blood is flowing. Beautiful. You might feel a little bit sweat as well. Good. From here, shake your hands, rub your hands together. Good. And then from here, let's stop and we go. Rubbing, 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 clap, and good. Very nice, and go again. Rubby, 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 and rub your hands. Good. Again, stop, rubby, 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 clap, and breathe. And then from here, little shower. Very nice. Feel the warm up, feel the shake, feel the things. Keep on walking down there, yeah? Nice. From here, shake everything. Relax your feet and relax your crazy legs. From here, just to finish off, one hand, take it up here. This arm, the opposite arm, is pushing towards the floor. But we're not sinking down here. We're still nice and tall, and we just feel the stretch of the neck. Yeah? Very good. Let it go. Other way. Grab your hand, and from here, not only think about pulling your neck and head down, but think about elongating the opposite arm as well. Nice. Breathe and breathe out. Gorgeous, let go. Gently come back up. One more time, up and over. And breathe and stretch. And good, and again, up and over the other way. And breathe out. And stretch, nice. From here, careful if you got problems of low blood pressure. We're gonna go head down. Yeah, so if you feel a little bit dizzy, just take a little moment. We're just gonna go up, stretching all the way up. And then from there, diving all the way down. Very good. Breathing and stretching. Very nice. From here, gently coming back down and stretching the calves, stretching the legs. Yeah, I never like to stretch when we're cold. It's like, I always think about a frozen steak, yeah, and we're trying to move it, yeah? That's exactly more or less what your muscles feel like when your muscles are cold. So if we're trying to stretch hard so bad for your body when you're cold, yeah, think about the frozen steak, yeah? When it's room temperature, so much better, yes? So you can mold it, you can cook it, you can do whatever, yeah? Okay, so think of that. Warm up first, so stretching back again, releasing down. Doesn't matter if you're all the way down, if you're here is absolutely fine, yeah? Coming back, stretching on the bottom of the foot, stretching your toes, stretching the calf, very good. And again, one more time, stretching all the way up. Breathe in, breathe out, and releasing, come back down. Stay where you are. I'm just gonna turn around a little bit, yeah? So from here, stretching wherever you can. It doesn't matter if you're here is fine, yeah? I want you to take one leg back and keep it there and stretch it. Again, if this is your maximum, it's absolutely fine, yeah? Even there, stretching and getting more flexible takes time. Good, and again, coming back in, switching leg, stretch the one that you haven't done yet. Very nice. Breathe. Nice. Coming back up, back together, rolling back down again. Little swing back forward again. Gorgeous. Back up again. And let your head release down. Nicely, gently bending your knees, rolling back up. Beautifully. Stay where you are. Feel nice and tall. Feeling nice and warm now? Good. Then we are ready for our ballet class. We are ready for our workout, whatever we've got next, because our muscles are ready to pump it even more. Very well done. Mwah.